Hi there, meteorologist Dave Aguilera with you in Colorado's Weather Center. We have a new tornado warning to let you know about. Let's take it right to the radar here. It's over that storm which is blowing through Keansburg right now. The new tornado warning is till 2:15. Tornado and possible hail up to 2-inch diameter, and there have been weather spotters reporting a funnel on the ground. We've seen a couple of pictures that there are possible tornadoes up there already, so weather spotters have detected a funnel on the ground. The location on this is near Hudson, about 24 miles south of Greeley, moving east at 25 miles per hour. If you live in Hudson, Keansburg, Prospect Valley, Roggen, you have the potential of a tornado popping out of the bottom of this storm. And our radar does have the potential to pick up debris clouds or rotation. That swirly arrow that you see there, it gives us a good indicator that there's a whole lot of wind shear in the middle of that storm. And we have had an indicator that there has been debris flowing up from that storm as well, which might indicate a tornado forming up from there. So we're watching that carefully. I'm going to loop it over the last 15 minutes here and just watch the progression of this storm as it blew by Fort Lupton into the northern part of the Hudson area. And now it's just getting ready to cross I-76. So the potential for having a tornado crossing I-76 exists with us right now with that tornado warning in effect for that storm cell. And there is a little hooking going on. You see that purple shade where it kind of swirls kind of like a C, if you will? That's an indicator that there might be a little hooking action. The wind shear is spinning that around and showing us exactly what's happening in there. And if I look at what's called the velocity, you can see right along this line up here, there's the green coming in, the red coming together. Those are going opposite directions. So in that general area where those two come together, that's where we could have a tornado develop or drop. And apparently we do, because we've had a spotter mention that there is a funnel in that location right now. So north of Hudson and Keansburg, you guys, it's probably raining heavy duty out there for you now. I think you're going to have a flooding issue out there because you were in that storm last night where you had up to 4 to 6 inches of rain in some of your areas out there. So you're going to see quite a bit in the way of water coming through your area with this thunderstorm. If the hail or the tornado is not enough, you may have a flooding problem as well. And we have a new severe thunderstorm warning that just came down as we're talking to you here. This one is for Weld County. This is for the storm that blew through Greeley. Severe thunderstorm warning now on this one is extended till 2:30 out there. If you live in Barnesville or anywhere to the northeast of Kersey, south of Briggsdale as well, you have the potential of up to ping pong ball size hail and up to 60-mile-per-hour winds going through your area as well. Also, a new severe thunderstorm warning for this one for the Wellington area north of Fort Collins. Same deal with this. There's the potential coming out of that storm right there for up to ping pong ball size hail moving towards Wellington, south of Cheyenne, and even north Fort Collins. You might be in line of this storm cell coming through, and everything seems to be moving kind of east-northeast on this. If we loop it for the last hour, let me see where it's going. Yeah, it's going due east on that one, northeast on the one over Kersey, the tornado-producing one moving east right into Keansburg. So between Hudson and Keansburg, that could be the area that we see a tornado touchdown. Already, as we told you, spotters have seen a funnel through that area. And then for the Denver metro area, our south side just got drenched with hail. Hail has been a little smaller down here, anywhere from pea size to marble size, but now larger hail starting to come together from Foxfield, just north of Foxfield, into Aurora, crossing E470 out there. A lot of the newer developments out there, you might have some hail damage out of that. Potential exists for, let's see what the hail looks like as far as the hail size goes. Oh man, that could be pretty good for you there. We are looking at the potential of anywhere from quarter inch up to almost 2-inch diameter hail out of that storm that's blowing into the Aurora area. So that would put it maybe just below golf ball size hail or larger. And another storm coming across Castle Rock, not severe, but heavy rain from Castle Rock over into the Franktown area expected. But all of these storms have the potential of severity. So one more time, and then I'm going to let you go. A tornado warning till 2:15 for Hudson and Keansburg area. There has been a funnel detected by weather spotters out there, so take your tornado precautions if you live anywhere along I-76 all the way out to the Wiggins area this afternoon. All right, back to the programming now. If there is a tornado warning, and that's the only way we're going to break in, is if there is a tornado warning now on the ground and threatening lives. So that's the only way we will break in again before 5 o'clock. So back to CBS programming. Please stay safe this afternoon.